Select your document size, reduction or enlargement options, and output size. Click this checkbox to enable borderless printing. Select your paper source and media type. Select your print quality options according to your printer model. If you're using a SureColor P Series printer, use this list to select your target. Then select the print mode, color mode, and level as necessary. If you're using a SureColor T Series printer, use this list to select your target. Click this checkbox to print with high quality. To make detailed print quality settings, deselect the Simple Settings checkbox. In the Layout tab, click this checkbox to enable page layout options. Click this checkbox to rotate your page 180 degrees. Click this checkbox to mirror your image. In the Advanced tab, you can select your roll paper options and advanced media controls. Click this checkbox to print background colors. Click this checkbox to customize job settings. In the Utility tab, you can perform printer maintenance and monitor your printer's status. Click this icon to launch Epson Media Installer.